Hey guys, my name is Coral Jade. Today I am going to be teaching you the single-handed helicopter. Our last video I showed you the basic helicopter, which looks like this. So if you haven't checked that one out yet, it's a good idea to go back and have a look. So for your single-handed helicopter, what we're basically doing is a bunch of continuous palm spins like this. So to do this move, you do need to spin in a circle to keep the momentum going. I like to spin to my left with the hoop in my right hand. So to do this, what I need to do is have the top of the hoop going backwards to touch the back of my hand, and then I'm catching it. So it looks like this. So the top of the hoop coming down at the back of my hand, and I'm catching it back into our original position. If you were to spin the opposite way, so the hoop's in your right hand and you're spinning to the right, you would need the hoop to go the opposite way. So the top of the hoop coming forward, down, and then catching your hoop with your palm spin. The same goes for if you were to use your left hand, you would also need the hoop to go in the opposite direction to what I just said. So to practice your single-handed helicopter, what you will need to do is practice your palm spins first, spinning in a circle and slowly connecting each one. Just slowly bringing up the speed and making it more continuous, like this. Keeping your hand right in front of you, about eye level, catching the hoop. And that's it, that is our single-handed helicopter. Next video we are going to be covering our vertical helicopter, so be sure to check that one out. Thanks for watching.